In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to delete multiple rows in Smartsheet quickly and efficiently. If you're working with large sheets and need to clean up data, remove outdated entries, or reorganize your project plan, knowing how to delete multiple rows at once can save you a lot of time. Make sure to watch until the end so you don't miss any tips. And if this tutorial helps you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more Smartsheet tips and software tutorials. Alright, let's get started. First, open Smartsheet and go to the sheet where you want to delete rows. Make sure you're in grid view, since that's where row management is the most straightforward. Once your sheet is open, scroll to the section that contains the rows you want to remove. Now, if you want to delete multiple rows that are next to each other, here's the fastest way to do it. Click on the row number of the first row you want to delete. You'll see the entire row become highlighted. Next, press and hold the Shift key on your keyboard. While holding Shift, click on the row number of the last row in the range you want to delete. Smartsheet will automatically select all the rows in between the first and last row. This is perfect when you're removing a continuous block of data. Take a moment to double-check that the correct rows are highlighted. This is important because once you delete them, the action will remove all selected rows at the same time. If everything looks correct, right-click on any of the highlighted row numbers. From the menu that appears, click on Delete. The selected rows will immediately be removed from your sheet. Now, what if the rows you want to delete are not next to each other? In that case, you can select them individually. Click on the first row number you want to delete. Then hold down the Ctrl key on Windows or the Command key on Mac. While holding that key, click on the additional row numbers you want to select. This allows you to choose multiple non-adjacent rows anywhere in the sheet. Once you've selected all the specific rows you want to remove, right-click on any of the highlighted row numbers and click Delete. Smartsheet will delete all selected rows at once, even if they're spread out across the sheet. One important tip to keep in mind is that deleting rows will permanently remove the data unless you immediately use the Undo option. If you accidentally delete the wrong rows, quickly press Ctrl-Z on Windows or Command-Z on Mac to undo the action. You can also use the Undo button in the toolbar at the top. And that's it. That's how you delete multiple rows in Smartsheet, whether they're next to each other or located in different parts of your sheet. It's a simple process, but it can make managing large projects much faster and more efficient. If this video helped you, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy Smartsheet tutorials and productivity tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.